Hey guys, it's me, Kinghuman. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make big bank with very little effort. You're going to be able to do this. This is great. Check this out. Booyah. All right, let's get into this real quick. This is going to be a killer business, possibly, for you, and it's going to be free. Check this out. Wait till I get there. I'm going to set you up with $100 in free merchandise on this. It's going to be off the hinges. Anyway, I'm on Etsy.com, and what I've done is I've done my research and I found a really hot selling product. I'm about to show you the kind of thing that I would do if I was looking for a business to get into. Now, doing my research, I found that this seller is selling this for $5 and up. It's an engraved, personalized jewelry box. Now they're also getting, what was it, $4, $3.99 shipping. So that means they are getting $8.99 per piece that they sell. And if we do a little rough justice with the math here, we can see that they have sold 1,590 of these minimum, based on the number of people that have left a review. Now, not everybody that buys the product will leave a review, so they've made more sales than this, and most of the reviews are 5 stars. So let's do a little rough math here, because I'm about to give you a source where you can get this item, the exact same item, drop shipped for $2.07. So let's do a little math here. He's getting $5 a piece plus $3.99 shipping. That is $6.90, what is it? $6 and some odd cents profit. I can't read, $6.98. I can't read my writing. Profit per piece. After we deduct our $2.07 cost. Yes, you're going to be able to get these for $2.07 drop shipped for free. So that leaves us a profit of $6.92 per piece. Now, if we just use this number, 1,590, and we can do what this guy has done, and you should be able to get close to this, because in a minute I'm going to give you his exact setup, his keywords, everything. So let's say we can make the same number of sales that he can. Now, obviously, you might want to say, well, maybe I'm only going to be able to get 10 or 20% of that. Okay, you do that math. But if we take 692 and multiply it by 1,590 sales, that's going to be $11,002. Now, obviously, there's rough figures, but this is for one item. Imagine if you had 10, 20, 30 items in your store performing this well, and it's all drop shipping. You're going to be able to do that. Now, in the video description below, I'm going to give you all of the resources. I'm going to give you the link to this exact Etsy listing, because what you want to do is you want to come in here and you want to emulate what's going on. Look at how he set these things up. Look at what his upsells are. Look at, he's got color options, he's got design options, he's got all these different things going on. You want to look at his details, you want to look at the description, and you want to emulate all of this. His shipping times, all of it. Don't rip it off verbatim, but don't reinvent the wheel. Do what is working. This is working. So you can see he's using a lot of keywords in here. Now, the other thing I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you his exact hidden keywords in the video description below. So if you want to set this exact thing up, you'll be able to draft off of his exact keywords. I'm going to give you all the information below so that you can really do this. Now, the other thing I need to give you is the source where you can get this for $2.07 drop shipped, free drop shipping. But I'm going to do better than that. I'm going to give you $100 of free merchandise. Check this out. Okay, here we are on this sourcing website. This is called Temu.com. Temu.com. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't, but it's a great sourcing website because they have great customer service and everything is always shipped for free. So check this out. This cost is $2.07 per piece, and that includes your free personalization, and it also includes free shipping. Let's see, here we go, free shipping, and it gives you a delivery window. If it's not delivered on time, you get $5 free, which that's not even gonna touch what I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you $100 in free merchandise in a minute. So check this out. So $2.07 is our cost. Now this can drop ship very easily. Oh, and you can see this is a popular item. It sold 1,175 units, and it's a highly rated product. So everybody's happy with it, and people are buying it like mental patients. So it's regularly $9.49, 78% off. But again, below in the description, I am going to give you a link where you can download the Temu app. And if you download the Temu app and order through the app, you're gonna get $100 free. Now, you can use it to buy this product, but you can also use it to buy personal products for yourself. And that's what I do a lot of the time. I come to Temu and I buy so many personal products, and I've just come up here and clicked on best sellers just to give you an idea of what's going on. These LED motion lights, these blenders, these BlendJet blenders. I'm sure you've seen these. There are guys that are knocking it out of the park, selling these on TikTok with simple TikTok ads. They're shipping these to Amazon FBA, and very, very cool stuff. These speakers, I bought a few of those speakers for gifts. All kinds of cool things. These bags, I buy these bags for gifts. I buy so many things here that not only do I buy for my own personal use, but I use as premium gifts for people when they sign up to things I'm promoting. I'll ship them some of these things absolutely free. It's a great marketplace. I really, if you haven't heard of Temu yet, I would be surprised. But again, the trick is you want to go down and get the app through my link so that you get your first $100 free. This works in so many ways, but it's not really how I make the majority of my money. I hope you found that interesting, and I hope it helps you to get on your path to success. But in order to be 100% transparent here, I want to let you know this is not what I personally do to make the kind of money you're seeing on the screen right now. What I'm showing you is the kind of money I make, and it comes in autopilot every day, every week, every month, like clockwork, every year. If you want to learn exactly what I do, I can teach you. Click the link below. I make simple little automated income robots that create passive income. I suggest you jump on it. All right, maximum respect, all the best. Cheers.